Welcome to this tutorial on the mvexpand command in Splunk SPL. The mvexpand command is a powerful tool that helps you expand multi-value fields and convert them into separate events for individual value analysis. This command is essential when you need to break down complex data structures and analyze each component separately. The mvexpand command is a Splunk SPL command that takes multi-value fields and creates separate events for each value, enabling individual analysis of each component. The key purpose of this command is to transform one event that contains multiple values into multiple events, each containing a single value. This transformation is crucial when you need to perform statistical analysis or detailed examination of each value independently. The basic syntax for the mvexpand command is straightforward. You use the keyword mvexpand followed by the field name you want to expand. Optionally, you can include a limit parameter using limit equals n, where n is the maximum number of values you want to expand per event. The field name represents the multi-value field you want to expand, while the limit parameter helps control the number of values processed from each original event. Let me show you how mvexpand transforms your data. Before using mvexpand, you might have a single event where the user field contains John, and the tags field contains admin, developer, manager as a multi-value field. After applying mvexpand to the tags field, you get three separate events. The first event has user John and tags admin. The second event has user John and tags developer. The third event has user John and tags manager. Notice how each tag value now exists in its own separate event. Here's a practical example of using mvexpand. We start with a search command targeting the weblogs index. Then we pipe the results to mvexpand and specify the user roles field. This command expands the user roles multi-value field into separate events for analysis. Each role that was originally grouped together in a single field will now appear as an individual event, making it easier to count, filter, or perform other operations on each role separately. The limit parameter gives you control over how many values are expanded from each multi-value field. In this example, we search the security index and pipe the results to mvexpand with the IP addresses field, setting limit equals 3. This means that even if an event has more than 3 IP addresses in the multi-value field, only the first 3 will be expanded into separate events. The limit parameter is useful when dealing with fields that might contain many values, and you want to control the volume of resulting events. The mvexpand command has several common use cases in real-world scenarios. For user role analysis, you can analyze user permissions and roles individually for security auditing purposes. In IP address tracking, you can expand multiple IP addresses from network logs for threat analysis. Tag processing allows you to process multiple tags separately for better categorization and reporting. Finally, statistical analysis becomes possible when you need to perform statistical operations on individual values that were previously grouped in multi-value fields. Let's summarize the key takeaways about the mvexpand command. First, mvexpand transforms one event with multiple values into multiple events with single values, making individual analysis possible. Second, you can use the limit parameter to control how many values are expanded per original event, giving you flexibility in managing the volume of results. These concepts form the foundation for effectively using mvexpand in your Splunk searches and data analysis workflows. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.